So hello friends, welcome again to a new HTML video again. So today's video is on HTML form. So this is the last program which you can see in the display. This is the last program of HTML form. Okay, so let's complete the last program also. So guys, before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, then please if you like this channel, then subscribe this channel and like our videos. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. So as you can see in the display screen, today it is the first program and this is the last program of HTML form. Okay, and first program of today. So let's copy this program. Okay, as you can see, I'm copying this and I'm gonna paste it in my Node++. Okay, pasting is done. Now let's saving is left. Saving in my HTML file. As you can see, this is my HTML file, so I'm saving my 1.html. right, then saving is also completed. Now let's open the file and let's see what the program is all about. Before opening the file, let's see the program is all about the data list element. Achha, what is the data list element? Let's see, data or data, whatever. So this is the program. As you can see, the data list element is being shown over here. So let's see, what is this? Choose your browser from the list. So you can choose anything, choose a browser, or you can choose any search engine, right? Suppose I choose Chrome. Okay, no, the data list tag is not supported in Safari 2.0. Okay, it's not supported. So this is how we make a data list element. Okay, so let's see how did we made. So as you can see, this is our program and this is our output. Okay, so let's see. So as you know, in HTML form we don't use any head tag, we directly go to the body tag, and under the body tag we used a small heading, that is the data list element. And as you can see, the data list element. Then we come to the main syntax, that is form action equals to quotation / page .php. This is the entire syntax. Method equals to get, in quotation you have to write. Okay, then for making boxes like this, making input boxes and making submit like this, we use two tags. One is label tag and one is input tag. If you have seen my earlier videos, I have discussed about this input and label, so go and watch those. Okay, so we have used here also label tag, and here is written that label for equals to quotation browser bracket close, choose your browser from this list. As you can see, choose your browser from the list means it is the labeling or it is the heading of that, of anything. Okay, so label tag close. Then for input list, only for this input list we could make this entire box with options. Okay, so input list in quotation browsers, name equal to browser, id equal to browser in quotation. Okay, then we come to the third line where we have used the data list id tag, which is equals to browser in quotation. And then we come to the options. We have given here 5 options, as you can see. Okay, and for all giving options we have used the option tag, and we have written that bracket equals to option value equals to age. This is the first option. Then bracket equal to option value equals to Firefox. Likewise, we have made 5 options. Okay, so then we have closed the option tag, and at last we have closed the data list tag. Okay, then we have made a small we have used a small input type tag for making this submit logo. You can see this logo, right? If you click it, it will open another page that is linked to this page. Okay, so we have used our input type tag for making this one, and then lastly we close the form tag, and the entire program finishes over here, main program. And then as you can see, a note is there at the last line. So for writing this note, we have used the paragraph tag, and then we have closed body tag and HTML tag, and by this we finish the first program, as you can see, right? So it's an important program. I hope you enjoy the program. Now let's go to the second program. So second program is about register form. Okay, so how do you make a form? Okay, so let's see by copying this in our notepad. So as you can see, I'm copying this in my notepad. Now I'm gonna copy and paste it in my Notepad plus. Pasting is completed. Now saving is left. Saving I'm doing 2.html. So 2.html done. Now let's open the file and have the output. So as you can see, this is the entire form. It's looking like a form, and you have to just fill up it. So how we make this form, right? It's very easy. So let's begin. So for this form, we have used the head tag. Okay, as you can see, we have used the head tag, and we have given a under head tag we have given the title tag, and title is register form. As you can see, the title is given. See, as you can see, the title is over here, register form, and we have closed head tag. Only for giving this title we have used register form. Okay, then we come to the main thing, that we have used body tag, and under body tag we have used form tag, and under form tag we have used table tag, tr tag, td tag. Many tags are there. So let's begin. Okay, so you have to write name, password, gender you have to write, then you have to write email address, then phone number, right? You write phone number, then you have to submit. So how we made this, really it's really important, creating web page and creating not a register form is really important. So let's see. So under form tag we have used table tag, then you have used tr tag. Tr means table row tag. Okay, td means table data tag. Table data name equals to clone, table data close, table data equals to input type equals to text, close. Okay, td tag closed, then tr tag also closed, then tr tag again opened. This was for name, this was for password. Again this same thing is for password. Input type, as you can see, input type text, that is the name, and input type password, as you can see, this is password. Then we are coming to this gender, how to make this gender one. So we have used tr tag, then td tag, gender equals to quotation gender, then td tag again, then input type we have written radio under quotation, and name equals to gender. Okay, we use radio tag for giving this points. Okay, so radio quotation name equals to gender quotation male, and second line radio input type equals to radio and quotation name equals to gender female. Okay, so this how we made this gender line also completed. Now let's go to the email one. For email we have used tr tag, again td tag, and under td tag we have written email, and then again we have started td tag and we have written input type equals to email for this email, and td tag closed, and tr tag also closed, and email is finished. Now we have come to the phone number. As you can see, now phone number is bit optional. So td equals to phone number, td closed, and before that we have used tr tag, and after this we have again started td tag, and then we under td tag we have used select, means selects optionals. Okay, options are given. So as you can see the options, if I click in this arrow, the options are coming. So there are, as you can see, there are 6 options. So how, okay, then we close the select tag, then we write a small thing, that is input type equals to phone, td tag closed, tr tag closed, then also tr tag open, td tag open, input type equals to submit. For this submit, as you know, for this submit also we need to use input type tag, and then lastly we close table tag, form tag, body tag, html tag, and our program finishes. Right, so let's fill up this register form. So my name is Yusuf. I'm writing my name wrong. My name is Yusuf. My password is I am male. My gender is male. Email address. Email address. Let's write email address. Email address becoming copied. Leave it. So guys, only this much for today. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. I hope you enjoyed the video, and it's important for making web pages like this type of tags are used. Okay, so if you get any help by this video, then do like this video, subscribe our channel for more HTML videos. Okay, so bye bye for today.